Here we are at Fox Sports Cards in beautiful Marion, Illinois. We're going to open up a box of 2007 Ultimate Collection Football. There's 4 mini boxes per master box, 4 cards per box, pretty simple, 16 cards. Very nice product. We've had very good success with it here at the store. I'm going to get right down to it, try to get through this as fast as I can. It's a lovely product by Upper Deck. Been tickled to death with the pulls we've had in the store of it so far. Beautiful base cards. Lavernius Coles. Chancey Stuckey, as I complete my Chancey Stuckey wing in my house. Kevin Kolb. Very, very nice. And a triple of D'Angelo Williams, Maurice Jones-Drew, and Leon Washington. Triple jersey piece. We'll pause back after a short phone call, and we're opening our second mini box of Ultimate Football 2007. Very nice product. Matt Leinart. Without the beer bong. Trent Edwards autograph, very, very nice. Rookie Materials, Gaines Adams, jersey piece. And Javon Walker, jersey piece, very, very nice. These are sold by the mini box and also by the master box. I'm a big believer in getting the master box so that you get all the hits. Usually they have a really big hit per 4 mini boxes, so good idea just to save the money up and get the Lindale White. Very, very nice. Rookie that I have not heard of. Greg Olson, dual jersey patch, very nice in Illinois. And a Donovan McNabb jersey piece as well. Which brings us down to our last mini box. We're hoping for good things in the last one. Norwood, part of our Jurius Norwood collection. Quentin Moses auto. Dwayne Bowe, dual relic. And our Vince Young swatch, numbered to 98. Overall, very nice.
The results from the Ultimate Collection box break, we have a Lindale White base card, numbered to 400. A Gaines Adams Ultimate Rookie Materials, Greg Olson Ultimate Rookie Materials, Dwayne Bowe Ultimate Rookie Materials, as well as a Kevin Kolb Rookie Materials. Then we have a Donovan McNabb Ultimate Materials numbered to 99, Javon Walker Ultimate Materials numbered to 99, Ultimate Materials triple jersey of D'Angelo Williams, Maurice Jones-Drew, and Leon Washington numbered to 50. And then we have a Vince Young patch numbered to 98. And we go on to Quentin Moses Ultimate Signatures. And then a Legadou Nane autograph Ultimate Signatures. Chancey Stuckey autograph numbered to 250. As well as a very nice Trent Edwards autograph numbered to 150.